Hey, to fix connection problems with your Realme Buds Air 5 Pro, first of all take a look. The case is opened, I'm in the application, but it looks like they are not in the use, and the same for the Bluetooth. I can just click on them, but they are not connected. I got the new pairing request, but it actually doesn't allow me to pair it. So, first of all, I will highly recommend you to simply turn off the Bluetooth on your smartphone or any other device that you are using. Next, be sure that you input both earbuds inside this charging case like this. Close this case for a few seconds and now open it. And right now you will have to locate this small button that appears right here. Now you have to click and hold it. And you have to just wait until this indicator on the front starts blinking with the green and the white for 3 times quickly. So it will take around 5 or 8 seconds. There we go. It actually blinks 2 times with the green, 2 times with the white, and now it's keep blinking with the white, right? Which means that we are in the pairing mode. So now we can put it close to your device with the case open and both earbuds inside. Now remember to turn on the Bluetooth back on your device. In this case I'm using smartphone. Then try to enter for the Bluetooth pairing list. Find your earbuds and click on them. Now when you got the pairing request, try to accept this request, and as you can see right now we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video. Right now please subscribe to my channel.